Alright, boys and girls, change of plans. This pot or this pan is way too shallow. So you gotta improvise. You know what I do, right? Take this rice cooker and pour the son of a bitch right into the rice cooker. See, it's all about. Okay, get yourself this, turn it on. Alright. See, look. Alright, put it in here. Very easy. Very easy. Do you see what's happening here? Oh yeah. Oh, good. So my mistake, my bad. The pot was way too turn this off. So it's in the rice cooker now, right? I have it on, turn it on, alright? Now it shouldn't take too long for this to cook because it's in a deeper pot, as you can see. So what I'm gonna do now is, since I have plenty of time, I'm gonna go wash the pan. Shoot, that music better not be copyrighted, huh? Turn it off. Okay. So as we cook this here, right? We are cooking this, right? Come on now. This is the base of my biryani. Alright? Don't need this anymore. Believe me, cooking in a small room like this is very difficult. Earlier I had a handle, I had my pan handle sticking out like this. Alright, make sure to have the handle towards the wall so you don't bump into it. See? Okay, it's cooking. You could hear it simmering. And you know what I'm going to do now? This is the best part. Here we go. This is the hey, Indians, they swear by this. It's supposed to be pretty good. Alright, so I'm going to simply put this in the pot. Alright, the whole thing, right? Just like that. You see? You see what's happening? Okay. Oh, the smell. Oh, yeah. I wish you could smell this. Oh, the Indian food is Indian. Oh, yeah. Look at this. Get rid of simmer, right? Oh wow, I need to buy more. See, look. That's what you need. Take this. Oh, that's beautiful. That is beautiful. And these folks over Sean, I don't know who they are, but these people, that's the company. Oh, my nose. You see what's happening? Can you see in the pot? Are we actually taping this? Oh yeah. Good. So it's simmering, and the potatoes should be done pretty soon, right? I just wished I had a regular sized stove, a burner, and a nice deep pot. But this, you just have to make do, you know, in your hotel, right? Can you see? Do you need this? Can you see better? All right. How is the potato? This have to be done here. Oh yeah. That looks pretty good. I think I should add green peppers. I have okra. I don't know if Indian people put okra in these. Should I put okra inside? Look at this, man. It's looking mighty good. See? And I'm gonna let it simmer again. So just bear with me, I'm gonna stop this tape.